Greetings. Just don't drink my lemon tea, but just thought I would very quickly drop a word of invitation to you to join us on the Auntie JoJo's Health Challenge. So let me back up a bit. My name is Joanne Richards Goff, aka Auntie JoJo. And this year will be the fifth year that we are staging Auntie JoJo's Health Challenge. So this is now Auntie JoJo's Health Challenge 2023. And it's just a quick invite if you want to start 2023 on the right foot, health wise, and to make yourself probably unrecognizable by the time you get to 2023. Okay, let me not overpromise, but certainly there would be a transformation. In 2021, I published this book, Auntie Jojo Goes Vegan, a Jamaican story with tips and recipes for a healthier you. And I just want to read a couple of the testimonials from people who have gone through the challenge. So Charmaine said this in August 2020. The challenge helped to recenter me. I had gone far left. I am very grateful for the timeliness of the challenge. I am not a straight vegetarian, but I am more mindful of my choices while still maintaining the lifestyle of a missionary. Then I want to read this next one from Patrice. She wrote this in December 2020, and Patrice eventually became my motivation. You know, whenever December is coming and I'm looking at January and I'm thinking of all the things to be done, and I'm thinking, oh, I don't think I can handle the challenge this year. And then there's Patrice to say, yes, do it, even if only because of me. So Patrice said, last December, a friend invited me to join a group doing a vegan challenge, which started this January, and that was 2020. The challenge was only for a month, but in that period, I lost 7 pounds. Fast forward to today, and I now weigh 20 pounds less than I did on December 31, 2019. Although I didn't stay on the vegan diet, it was kind of hard to maintain in a household of meat-eating men. I followed the principles of it. I have 20 more pounds to go to achieve my targets, but I am now more confident in my ability to do so. I will be taking part in my friend's vegan challenge again in January. And who knows, maybe I can keep it up a little longer than the month this time around. I gotta say though, that I loved how my system felt while doing it. I really appreciate all the support that this group offers. And I'm looking forward to another year of sharing and caring. And really, that is probably the greatest part. Just the encouragement, the support that we give to each other while we're going through this challenge. Yes, it is a vegan challenge, but it's not just about the nutrition. It's about total health. So if you want to be a part of a group that is focused on being healthier in 2023, then please join us. And if you just want a group to hang with, even if you're already vegan, but you just want to be a part of this, there'll be more coming as the days progress. We actually begin on January the 8th, which is only 2 days away. So I'll be coming back before January 8th. That means tomorrow. And telling you more about this challenge. So just hop on over to Facebook, Auntie JoJo's Health Challenge 2023, and join us. Please, we are waiting to welcome you with open arms. And if you haven't got this book yet, now is a good time to go over to Amazon and order your copy. Not that you will need it for the challenge, but it certainly will be helpful, especially after the challenge. All right, I'm going to see you again, right? And una got tired for see my face this January 2023 as we talk about bringing you into a healthier reality. All right, una walk good and one love.